Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can open an account in Bank of America. So let's jump right in. To get started, open any web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type in bankofamerica.com and hit enter. This will take you to the official homepage of Bank of America. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a login section. Just below that, there's an option that says, Open an account. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be directed to a new page. Since we're opening a bank account, click on the Checking and Savings option. Then, press the Get Started button. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see a list of all the available checking accounts. You can take your time to read through the details of each account. Once you've decided which one suits you best, click on the Open Account button next to it. For this example, I'll choose Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance Banking. After selecting it, you'll be redirected to a form page where you'll first need to enter your zip code and click Go. If you'd like to add a savings account alongside your checking account, you can choose to do that on the next screen. If not, simply choose the I only want a checking account option. If you have an offer code, tick the box and enter it. If you don't, just click Go to Application to continue. Now comes the form. You'll need to enter your first name, middle name, last name, suffix if any, and your date of birth. Next, fill in your address, including street, city, state, zip code, and county. Once that's done, enter your phone number and choose the type of phone it is. Then, provide your email address and retype it to confirm. You'll then be asked whether you're a U.S. citizen and if you have dual citizenship. After that, provide details about your employment status and your source of income. If you want to add a co-applicant, you can check the box and fill in their details. If not, simply skip that section. Finally, tap on the Continue button to move forward. And just like that, you've successfully started the process of opening your Bank of America account.